class 12. Now, this is my practice class, and we read about the topic matrix. The matrix is new topics for class 12. Means the matrix have not read by any student in previous classes. Matrix is the rectangular arrangement of some numbers or quantities is called matrix. Suppose that some numbers have to arrange and the arrangement is the arrangement have to well defined. Suppose that some student acquires some marks in several subjects, several papers. Suppose that 5 students gets marks in physics, maths, and chemistry, and their marks are arranged that with a rectangular pattern. Suppose that 5 students have roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 4, and roll number 5. The marks obtained by students in physics, in chemistry, and in mathematics. Suppose that roll number 1 obtained the marks 93 in physics. Roll number 2 obtained 81. Roll number 3 obtained 90. Roll number 4 obtained 72. Roll number 5 obtained 78. These are the marks in physics obtained by the 5 students whose roll numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In chemistry, suppose that marks obtained by roll number 1 is 85. In this, for roll number 2 obtained 87. Roll number 3 obtained 92, 70, and suppose that 85. In mathematics, roll number 1 obtained the marks 95. Roll number 2 82. Roll number 3 87. Roll number 4 92, and roll number 5 90. We see that it is a pattern for arranging the marks obtained by some students in three different papers or 3 different subjects. Now we cannot represent 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 means roll number and subject. It is not necessary to show in this pattern. Sometimes or generally we use for matrix only its data, means not its location, means not its identification. Hence, the data is arranged in a rectangular pattern. Hence, the given data arranged at this pattern is 93, 85, 95, 81, 87, 82, 90, 92, and 87, 72, 70, and 92, 78, 85, and 90. This type of arrangement is called matrix. The plural form of matrix is called matrices, and matrices is written as matrices. It is the plural form of matrix. Plural form of matrix is matrices. As like the plural form of radius is radii, plural form of focus is foci, hence the plural form of matrix is matrices. Matrices are into of several matrices. Here given only one matrix. In this pattern, the horizontal line and vertical line occurs in this matrix. The horizontal line pattern and vertical line pattern is the showing the elements in the matrix. The horizontal line pattern is called row and vertical line pattern is called column. Hence, in this given matrix, there are first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. The given matrix has 5 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Rows are denoted by R1, it is first row, it is second row, it is third row, it is fourth row, and it is fifth row. Columns is denoted by C. C1 means first column, C2 means second column, and C3 means third column. Means the rectangular arrangement of numbers can be written in this pattern, and it has to close in a bracket or a small bracket. Sometimes the matrix is placed in a small bracket 93, 85, 95, 81, 87, and 82, 90, 92, and 87. 72, 70, 92, and 78, 85, 90. Similarly, other matrix can be represented in this pattern, means in the bracket, big bracket, or a small bracket. In any bracket can be represent the matrix, but matrix cannot represent in the curly bracket. In this matrix, in the given matrix, there are 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 3 columns, and the elements, total number of the elements in this matrix is 5 into 3 is equal to 15, means 15 elements is arranged in this matrix, and 15 elements is arranged in the matrix, then the row of the matrix is the factor of matrix. Means many elements can be arranged in a matrix according to their factors. If 12 elements have to arrange in pattern of matrix, then we have to look at the factor of 12. The factor of 12 can be written as 4 into 3, means the matrix can be formed by 4 rows and 3 columns, or 4 columns and 3 rows. 12 is equal to 6 into 2, means other matrix can be formed by 6 rows and 2 columns, or 6 columns and 2 rows. Or 12 is equal to 12 into 1. It is also a factor of factorization of 12. There are 2 factors, 12 and 1. Hence, the matrix has 12 rows and 1 column, or 1 row and 12 column. Means the vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement can be written in the pattern of the matrix. Now we discuss about the elements of the matrix. Suppose that a matrix is given by its row, its element of first row is x, y, z, and element of second row is p, q, r, and element of third row is L, M, and N. Or it is represented by columns. The element of first column is X, P, L. Second column element is Y, Q, M, and third column element is Z, R, and N. It is a matrix. We have to locate the position of any elements in the matrix. The first element X, its position is at first row and first column. X lies in the matrix at first row and first column. Y lies in the matrix in first row and at the second column. Z lies in the matrix at the first row in the third column. Similarly, in the second row, the first element of second row is P, means P has position at second row and first column. Q has its position is second row at second column, and R has position at second row and third column. Similarly, the element N has its position at third row and first column. Position of M is third row and second column. Position of N is at third row and third column. In this pattern or in this matrix, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Hence, the total number of the elements in this matrix is 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Hence, 9 elements is arranged in this matrix. Now, the representation of any element or any place of any element in the matrix is denoted by A, I, J, where I is represented as I is located for number of row and J is the location of number of column. If we want to put I equal to 1 and J equal to 1, therefore A11. It is not A11, it is A11. Means A11 is the element in the matrix whose position is at first row and first column. In the given matrix, the element occurs on the position A11 is X. If I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 2, then the position of the element in the matrix is located at Y, A12, means the element of first row and second column. In the given matrix, the element at first row and second column is Y. If similarly I equal to 1 and J equal to 3, therefore A13, the element which is at position A13 is Z, means the element which is in the first row and in the third column. Similarly, in our second row, if I equal to 2 and J equal to 1, therefore the element located as 2, 1 is the element of second row and first column. It is P. If I equal to 2 and J equal to 2, then A22 and at the position of A22 is written at Q. Its position is A22, means in the second row and second column. Similarly, if I equal to 2 and J equal to 3, therefore A23 and it is located at R. Now, the second row is completed. In third row, the value of I is equal to 3, and suppose that the element which lies at the third row and first column is j equal to 1. Therefore, the position of the element is located at a 3 1 and it is L. If I equal to 3 and j equal to 2, therefore position of the element is located at A32. The element at the A32 is M, is in the third row and second column. If I equal to 3 and j equal to also 3, therefore location of the position is represented as A33 and this element is N. If any matrix is not given here, but the some pattern of the elements finding in the matrix is given. Suppose that a ij is equal to denoted as I plus 2j. I plus 2j means to finding the elements in the matrix is written in the form of aij, means the element of matrix in the row and column, means I is the value of row and j is the value of column, then we can find the element of the matrix according to this pattern in a particular question. Suppose that I have to construct a matrix of 3 into 2 order, 3 into 2 or 3 by 2. If any matrix, the row number of row is 3 and number of column is 2, then the order of the matrix is called 3 by 2 or 3 into 2. We have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 2. In the order 3 by 2, the number of row can be 3 and number of column can be 2. Means the value of I is 1, 2 and 3 and value of j can be 1 and 2 only. If I equal to 1 and j equal to also 1, so therefore a11 can be, and the 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3, means 3 is the element which occurs in the matrix at A11. A12 means the value of I equal to 1 and value of j equal to 2. In this pattern, we can put the value of I as 1 and the value of j as 2, means 1 plus 4 it is equal to 5. A not 1 3, A 2 1, because the value of j is the value of j can 1 and 2, means value of j cannot put more than 2. Now for second row, here 2 1, it is equal to value of I equal to 2 and value of j equal to 1, means 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. A 2 2, value of I equal to 2 or value of j is equal to also 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now, means second row is complete. In the third row, since the value of I can 1, 2 and 3, now A 3 1 is equal to value of I equal to 3 plus 2 into 1, it is equal to 3 plus 2 5. A B2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 4, it is 7. And according to this pattern, a matrix can be written with first row is 3 and 5. Second row 4, 6. And third row 5 and 7. It is matrix of order 3 into 2 or 3 by 2.